Hi, Strongers.
Good morning, Strongers. How are you guys?
Happy noon. Happy Friday.
I was like, what day of the week is it? It's
I
Friday.
know. Well, it's hard to keep up with what day it is nowadays. Although you came up with a really good slogan last night. What was it?
Oh, Friday Eve. It's literally my favorite thing to say.
Friday Eve. I love it. I love it. So welcome to USA Strong Live. We're so excited to see everybody. I'm Chrissy.
And I'm Mimi.
Boo.
Boo.
Boo. And one of our favorite mugs that she has. She's drinking tea today for a very special reason. And we're celebrating today one of our Made in America partners in Detroit. And we met these partners probably about 3 months ago, I think now, B's and the D. And we thought that we would do a live taste test with the honey they produce and talk about the importance of supporting locally made producers, and not just locally made producers of products, but locally made producers that have a mission, that support their local economies and educate people around them about what they are doing and giving back. And we are so proud to work with people like Brian and Brian in Detroit. And I have to say, my husband, Alex Mashinsky, who is a really harsh critic of honey, tasted the honey they produce and immediately made me shut down the Amazon replenishment honey we had and said, I am never, ever buying honey again from Amazon. I only want B's and the D honey. And so today, we're going to do the same taste test with you, Mimi.
Yes, I'm here for it. I haven't tried it yet, but only heard the most amazing things. I mean, it's such an important initiative that they give back to their community, they educate.
Yes.
And we're here to give you sweet, savory, and let you know how we feel about it.
Okay, here we go.
Should we do like
ready?
A little dollop?
Well, I'm going to put it right in your tea.
Oh,
okay. Here we go.
Let's do it.
Here we go. You ready for this?
And we know that this honey in particular crystallizes. Just chew it up. And that is very important in the honey world.
I love it. So B's and the
right
D has already been voted best in Detroit. And what do you think?
It's sweet, it's smooth. I mean, a spoonful of honey makes the next thing go down, except it's sugar, but you know, we're gonna twist it around today.
I love it.
It's so good.
I love it. So not only were they voted best in Detroit, I think one of their initiatives is building hives throughout Michigan, which I think is super important. And we met them, our state director, Rosie, who was one of our first employees, I think employee number 2, reached out to them to partner with us. And the thought was, okay, how do we start rebuilding local economies? And Brian immediately spoke with Rosie and said, we're in, which is fantastic. And that's really what we're talking about here across America. Made in America creates jobs. And we started this initiative back in February and March with retailers verifying. So when we think about our mission statement, it's curate first and foremost. We are picking these products with people across America. It's not about just putting everything onto the site. We're picking best of marquee products that we're putting onto the site for our customers. Then we're verifying, right?
Mm-hmm.
And verification is about meeting people, going into the community and saying, show us, educate us, explain to us your process. And some communities already have a verification process. And Bees in the D was already Michigan certified. There are states that have already verified some of these businesses. And that's what we're so excited to learn through this process. Another store, FYB Jewelry, Alyssa, a young entrepreneur here in New York, where we first started USA Strong, is coming on
next week, I think. And then she's going to talk to us and talk to us about her collection. And we're so excited to partner with her. She's so talented. Made in New York City, which is like so near and dear to our heart. We're just really excited about it.
And what does she make exactly? The
Bracelets,
right?
yes.
Yes. So those will be on our site soon. And I think that is everything. Is there anything else you want to add of what's coming up next?
What's coming up next?
How to apply. How to come to Strong Marketplace, right?
Yes.
This beautiful site that Mimi and all the folks have worked on. The most important thing about it is click on Strong Marketplace. And that is this circle right there. If you have Made in America products, you click right on there and you'll see all of these wonderful stores we're working on. And you'll see when you go to the bottom of this page how we're promoting these stores right now. You can click on those links and it takes you to their page and shows you all the wonderful things that they're doing. And if you have any questions or want to reach out to us, we have an application on our site that you can apply online and reach out to us, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We know that there are some products already sold out, and as soon as we get replenishment on those USA Strong products, we will let you know. And there is how to sell on USA Strong. It asks your applicant name, your legal entity name, what your business address is, your company size, what your primary product category is. Again, we don't approve all products because we're curating it. If you're just an e-commerce business or if you also have retail stores, how much of your products are 100% USA made. If you're willing to do a Zoom call with us, we know that times are difficult to do in person. And we have no problem doing a Zoom call to verify. And if you've been approved through another process for verification, like California made or Michigan made, a lot of states have already verified a lot of these companies. And that's it for today. We love you. Bye, Strongers.
Hi, Strongers.
See you soon.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.